May 28, 2025. A decision that has stunned the nation. Donald Trump, former U.S. president, has commuted the federal sentence of one of America's most controversial gang leaders, Larry Hoover. But who is Larry Hoover, and why does this decision matter?
Larry Hoover was born in Mississippi in 1950, but it was in Chicago where his name would become infamous. He co-founded the Gangster Disciples, one of the city's most powerful gangs, responsible for drug trafficking, extortion, and violence across state lines. Even while serving time in prison for murder, authorities say he ran the gang from behind bars.
In 1997, a sweeping federal investigation led to Hoover being convicted on multiple charges: racketeering, drug conspiracy, and extortion. The result? 6 life sentences. Since then, he's been held in solitary confinement at the notorious ADX Florence Supermax prison in Colorado, home to the worst of the worst.
Fast forward to 2025. Donald Trump, citing rehabilitation and public advocacy, commuted Hoover's federal sentence. According to the order, Hoover's federal time is now considered served. But, make no mistake, he remains behind bars, still serving a 150 to 200-year sentence in Illinois for murder.
The response? Divided. Some hail the move as a step toward criminal justice reform, pointing to Hoover's support from celebrities like Kanye West and Drake. Others? Outraged. They say this undermines justice and disrespects the victims.
So what does this mean? Will Larry Hoover ever walk free? Is this decision justice, redemption, or political strategy?
Let us know in the comments. Did Trump do the right thing? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real-world stories that matter.